If you've ever blocked someone on WhatsApp and later wondered, how do I delete or unblock this contact? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where your blocked contacts are stored and how to remove them in just a few taps. Let's jump right in. Open WhatsApp and look to the bottom corner for settings. Tap it and on the next screen, select privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps all your privacy controls, hidden away but easy to manage once you know where to look. Scroll down a bit and you'll see blocked contacts. Go ahead and tap that. Here, WhatsApp shows every number or contact you've blocked. Now, deleting or unblocking them is super simple. Just swipe left on any contact in the list and tap unblock. That's it. Instantly removed from the blocked list. If you have a whole bunch of blocked numbers, there's an even faster way. Tap edit in the top right corner and you can quickly select and unblock multiple contacts at once. This is perfect if you're cleaning up your list or made a few accidental blocks along the way. And that's all it takes. A few taps and your blocked list is cleared up and organized. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.